All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about navigating the Pearson MyLab math. So in the getting started, when you go into the folders in the weekly modules and you click on the assignment, it's going to take you straight to the homework assignment. If you ever want to go to the course homepage, right here in the getting started module is the Pearson MyLab and Mastering Course Home. And that's what I want to show you, some of the stuff here. So when you go to the home page, again, if you just click on the assignment links, it's going to take you straight into the assignment. You're not going to see all this stuff on the side here, the menu. And I'm going to show your view. So when you go to the course homepage, it looks like this. There's a calendar. You can see that there are 6 assignments due on the 28th. If I click on the 28th, it shows me 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 mid-chapter review. Okay. So that's the course homepage. If you go to the assignment tab, you can see every single thing that is assigned for this course. We're going to cover 9 chapters, and you'll see their due dates on everything. You can see your grades in here, but that's not going to be your course grade, so please don't depend on that. Your course grade will be the grade in Blackboard. Here you can go to the e-textbook if you want to look at any of the pages from the textbook. There's also lecture videos, like here I clicked on section 1.1. You can read the e-text, you can watch a lecture video. These are the Pearson lectures. My lectures are in the Blackboard. And then you can do the math guide for this section. These are just some things for extra practice. All right, if I go to, go back to the home page. The study plan, again, that's going to tailor things to help you have some extra practice. These quizzes are not for a grade in here, but this is something you can definitely go through if there's a concept you're struggling on. The video and resource library. This is pretty cool. I like this a lot. So let's say I'm struggling on chapter 1, section 1, and I want to see all the help things that are there. I click find now, and then I scroll down and I can see there's even a test prep video. I also make you a video. There's a PowerPoint, probably the same one that I have in Blackboard, multimedia textbook, and then here's a whole bunch of lectures. Sometimes there are animations when you go in these, like this one here. This one's got an animation. So definitely lots of resources in here if you are looking for some extra help on anything. So now I'm going to go back into the assignments and I'm going to show you something, how this is set up. You can get 100% on every single homework assignment if you want to spend the time. So this is what it looks like when you click on the link, the section link for the homework. It'll take you to this page. So you can see here's your due date, unlimited attempts per question. These first 6 assignments are due by midnight on Sunday, August 28th. If they're late, you start losing 5% a day. You cannot submit any assignments once the chapter test is due for that chapter. So I'm going to go into question 1. And it says, which of the following is the first step to writing expanded notation for a whole number? So I'm just going to go like this. Down here on the bottom, it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if I can slide this up a little. Hold on just a second. There we go. Check answer. Tells me it's wrong. Gives me a little hint on it. Okay, I'm going to go here. And on multiple choice, you only get 2 tries. On problems that aren't multiple choice, you get 3 tries. So this is your final check. It says that's incorrect. I hit OK. Now if you look down here, oh, this has multiple parts. So great. So the left is the 2. I'm just going to zip through this real quick. And you can either hit enter or click on check answer. And then what's the next step? I did not realize this had a whole bunch of parts, so let me just zippity-doo-dah through this. Let's see here. 8 is in the hundreds. And you guys see these little boxes down here as you get through, start progressing through things? That will give you fraction bars, square root, if you need to write a square root. For example, see all those? You'll use those later. Ordered pair is down there. Okay, so see, I'm getting all of this right, but I missed that one part. So you can see that on this problem, I got... Oh, geez. What is going on now? Okay, I thought I was done. Let's see here. Okay, final check. Okay, I got that. Geez Louise, I'm still here. Let's go here. This is a long one. Most of them don't have this many parts. Okay, then I'm going to miss it again. So each part on this multiple choice, or on this one, I get 2 attempts. Okay, now since I missed parts of it, I can do similar question, which lets me go back and rework it, or I can move on to the next question. So I'm going to go similar question. And then it starts the whole process over. See, and it tells me, and I'm just going to save this attempt for now, and then I can always go back in there and try and do a similar question. Now, you don't have to do all this in one sitting. If you look, it shows that I missed question 1. When I go back in, I know how much I did, so I'm going to try and click on question 1 again. And it's still on that question because I had clicked similar questions, exactly where I left off. Now, if you ever get stuck on something, there's a couple of help options down here on the bottom. So you can see I can go to the textbook, I can ask my instructor. I'm going to click to another question. Sometimes they have more options than that. So like here, now you can see on question 6, it says, help me solve this. If I click on help me solve this, it's going to provide step-by-step explanation. It's going to have me walk through it and participate. Then it's going to change the problem a little bit. It would still give me my 3 attempts. If I view an example, it's going to just show me step by step by step and explain it. So the help me solve this is active participation. View an example just explains it. And then if I click on more help, I can do the video, the textbook. The only time you need to do ask my instructor is if you think you should have gotten it right and you missed it. That would be my recommendation of when to use that, because you can always reach out and ask me questions if you get stuck on something. That's all I wanted to show you in the Pearson. Make sure if you have questions about anything, you let me know. Thank you.